Episode 8. Timing as power, neural coordination, and elastic sequencing. In explosive movement, we tend to think power comes from force. We strengthen muscles, push harder, and train for bigger output. But the fastest athletes are not the ones who push hardest. They are the ones whose bodies fire in the right sequence. Power is not the sum of effort. Power is the result of timing. In sprinting, a fraction of a second determines whether energy is stored, returned, or wasted. If the timing is early, the elastic tissues cannot load. If the timing is late, the rebound collapses. If the timing is perfect, the fascia system recoils with explosive power at almost no metabolic cost. This efficiency is not governed by muscle strength. It is governed by neural coordination. Muscles do not decide when to contract. The nervous system does. It sequences movement based on incoming information from fascia, from tendon tension, from joint position, and from the ground itself. The body becomes powerful when these signals are clear, fast, and well organized. This organization is not mental, it is structural. When fascia stiffens intelligently, it provides instant sensory feedback that allows the brain to anticipate force before the muscles even contract. This anticipation is the secret of elastic power. The body does not react to movement, it predicts movement. A powerful athlete does not push into the ground. They bounce off the ground because their nervous system knows exactly when to load and when to release. This timing is mediated by neural pathways shaped by myelin, sensory feedback shaped by fascia, and electrical precision shaped by metabolic state. It is not effort that reorganizes this timing. It is clarity of information. If the body carries defensive tension, signals slow down. If fascia is dehydrated or disorganized, feedback becomes noisy. If joints are compressed or guarded, the brain becomes uncertain. When the brain is uncertain, it will not allow elastic power. It will default to muscle effort for safety. Effort is not the opposite of laziness. Effort is the opposite of efficiency. At Adaptive Bodywork, we do not chase strength or flexibility or isolated goals. We create clarity in the body so the nervous system regains confidence in its own timing. We improve sensory communication through fascia. We reduce defensive tone through structural input. We allow the nervous system to sequence movement from prediction instead of protection. When the system trusts itself, elastic power becomes automatic, fast, spring-loaded, and effortless. In our next episode, we will explore how pain, posture, and chronic tension are not signs of injury, but signs of mistimed information within the nervous system. Until then, remember, strength pushes the body, timing unleashes it. Adaptive Bodywork, where the body learns when to fire.